Hi, this is Frida with WTI. Today I'm showing you my pot filler. Oh, I really love it. I'm so excited that I convinced my husband to tear this wall out to put this thing in. We do a lot of canning, a lot of cooking. It stretches out super far, so it reaches all the way to the front. There's two different shutoffs. You can leave this one on at all times, and then you can just control it from here. I kind of have to leave them both off because my kids like to mess with things. But like I said, it reaches all the way to this burner, that burner, back to this one, back to this one. It actually even reaches my coffee pots. That's probably my favorite part. No more running the coffee pot over to the faucet in the morning. So it's been great. These things can be pretty expensive. The KES one I thought was very affordable. It came in the matte black, so it matches my cabinet poles, my faucet, everything else that I have in here. It's really awesome. You can talk your husband into ripping you out the wall behind your stove. I definitely recommend it. We get tons of compliments on it. I know they've been around for a while, but still not everybody's doing them. And it is just so much more convenient, especially when I'm doing, when I can and I'm doing like a water bath. I hated having to fill up that giant tub of water from the sink and bring it over here. I always spilt it. And now I don't have to worry about it anymore. That's my point of view.